So let's get into the three main scenarios where I would suggest fitting the Pro system over the standard. So the first place would be roofs over 100 square meters or large commercial projects. The reason for this is because Pro isn't prone to shrinkage like standard EPDM systems. It's got this fleece backing on the back which gives it its reinforcement. It also doesn't need any added mechanical fixings like rust tape. This would normally be used if you're using standard ClassicBond around the perimeter on larger roofs. This will also save quite a bit of time on the installation if you don't have to use this. So the second reason to use Pro is because of its overlay capabilities. As well as giving it its reinforcement, it also provides a separation layer from the EPDM on the top to the substrate that you're going to be sticking to. So this means it can be installed onto a number of different substrates, for example felt or different bituminous surfaces. This means there's no need to reboard or strip it and start again. So different substrates will require different adhesives, but that's all explained in the installation manual. This will obviously save time and money when giving an old roof an upgrade, and it's just something you can't do with standard ClassicBond. The third reason would be dealing with more complicated roofs. As Pro comes in rolls that are 1.5 by 12.2, dealing with lots of protrusions and details can be more manageable. Roofs with lots of skylights, for example, would be very difficult to do in large pieces of standard ClassicBond. Having them in smaller rolls and cutting around them will make it easier. So it also has the pre-applied seam tape already on the rolls, so you can join them together, which makes it pretty much impossible to mess up.